Hello everyone, my name is Sajin S. Today I am here to share my experience with IMUmate and how it has been a significant part of my journey towards a successful career in Merchant Navy. At initial, I was not able to clear the IMUCET. As of that, I was not able to excel my further procedures of sponsorship for the past 1 year. And for the guidance, I adopted IMUmate, and let me introduce that. IMUmate is not just a coaching center, it's like a family. When I just first joined IMUmate, I realized that it was a place where the mentors go above and beyond to help students to achieve their goals, and the support and the guidance that I received from the mentors was truly remarkable. And their involvement in mock interviews and exams was best, in shaping my career. They provided me with necessary knowledge to succeed in the competitive world of Merchant Navy. And I'm very glad to say that I attained the initial powers, to be the confident in interview performance and how should I perform in professional manner. So I could enrich my talents with the help of well experienced mentors in IMUmate. Without IMUmate, I can say that I will be like a big zero, and I'm too grateful to them for everything that they have done or prepared to me. The mentors at IMUmate played a virtual and transparent role in securing sponsorship for me, and their expertise and the guidance were invaluable. They not only provided me with technical knowledge required, but also helped me in develop the right mindset and confidence to excel in my interviews, and not only for preparation of interview, all for further written exams such as IMUCET, sponsorship exams. As such, their classes and materials help me to achieve securing sponsorship of one of the best companies like Great Eastern, and also in executive ship management, and for the BSc Nautical Science in Tolani Maritime Institute. And in conclusion, I want to express my deepest gratitude to IMUmate for their unwavering support and guidance. To anyone considering a career in Merchant Navy, I highly recommend joining IMUmate. It's not just a coaching center, it's a family that that will guide you to a bright future. Because of everything, if it is mentored by someone who are widely experienced, would enrich ourselves in a productive manner. So I wish all newly students of Merchant Navy good career ahead and to be a part of IMUmate. Thank you.